Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is John and you are watching Tech Talk. So VR is actually everywhere this year. VR is still not where it should be. Okay, when you compare it to like gaming console like the Xbox, the PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. So most people show some interest in VR, but most people don't buy VR headset. So why is that? So in today's video, I'm going to share 4 things that I believe needs to happen for VR company like Facebook, HTC and HP to start selling VR like any other gaming console like the PS4 or PS5, Xbox. So welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, you are watching Tech Talk. This is a channel where I share my personal opinion with you and give you some advice on tech. Sony sold almost 8 million PS5 and Microsoft sold almost 4 million Xbox Series X. But since the Oculus Quest 2 came out, we think Facebook sold almost 5 million Oculus Quest 2. But it really took over 6 years to see these numbers for VR sales. So it's really good news, but I think there's more that need to be done if we want to keep seeing these numbers in sale for VR. So the first thing I think that needs to happen really for VR to keep growing more and more is to change the way that company like Facebook, HTC, HP and Valve and other VR companies promote and advertise VR. So VR is a mind-blowing technology, that's getting better and better and capable of doing so many different things for entertainment and for business. Right now, Facebook, Valve, HP are promoting VR mainly for gaming. But what about social media aspect of VR, that most people don't know about or never heard about, like Allspace, besides people already on a VR headset. So what about experience like big screen, what about those good workout session in VR that's, not being advertised as a selling point for VR? The second thing I think VR needs is to start integrating computer application into VR. I'm not talking about remote desktop. I'm talking about, application made for VR, designed for VR. What if we can get the Microsoft 365 or a Photoshop VR, where everything is done strictly in VR to take full advantage of VR? I think that would bring a lot of people, a lot of designers to the platform. And the third thing I think VR needs to do is to create more immersive, interactive learning experience for students. I believe if we have more app, for student in VR, people would invest more in VR. For example, if somebody want to know about the French Revolution, for a student, they can just jump in VR and have some kind of interactive block of instruction with a virtual teacher to give a quick rundown of the French Revolution. I think that will definitely make sense to invest, for parents to invest in a VR headset, for a son or a daughter. And the last thing that I think VR needs is for companies like HTC, HP, Valve to continue to make better VR headsets that are comfortable for everyone, not just for a specific group of people. I think any IPD lower than 68mm is unacceptable, and it's not for everyone. So a field of view in heavy headset, when we talk about future headset, should be at least 120 degrees and up to 180. I think 4K resolution needs to become the standard in every future VR headset. Tracking have to get better. I think by doing these things that I've mentioned, I think more people will start buying more VR headsets, right? And VR will definitely get where it should already be. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That was my opinion. I love VR and I truly believe VR is here to stay. So if you don't have a headset, get one. If you like topics like this, So consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time for my next video, guys. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys next time.